Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do review and demo of WhisperTranscribe. With this software, you will be able to repurpose your audio content and make summaries, create blog posts, Instagram posts. We'll see what we can generate with this content repurpose machine. And I don't know why they are targeting this as converting podcasts into written content. However, you can do that conversion with your audio or video content. So I'll check how to create newsletters, blogs, and social media posts from video content. I'll check it on my video review. I see it supports many languages and nice to have feature creating subtitles. As input, you can have your audio and video files. Regarding pricing plans, we have two. One is for 150 minutes monthly, and another one is quite an upgrade because you pay 3 times more, 150 almost, but you're getting much more minutes per month, and you're getting Bring Your Own Key feature. So if you will go over that limit, you will be able to connect your own OpenAI key. And before we jump into review and demo, I must say there was a similar software available, SpotNotes. I will leave my link in the description if you are interested to check that. Maybe it will come back to AppSumo because for now it's not available already. And with SpotNotes, you were able to upload your video and generate summaries, transcript, and generate other type of content like email, YouTube short scripts. I believe that one was my custom prompt. You were able to get blog post or Twitter thread and other type of content. So I believe WhisperTranscribe should be similar kind of software. We will see. So to get access to WhisperTranscribe, you will need to download desktop application. And let's test that on my recent YouTube video. There was in-depth AutoCAD review, as you can see here. Language, let it be English. I don't need any custom spelling. Well, maybe AutoCAD and AppSumo. And let's transcribe now. We can see the uploading has started. While it uploads the video, let's take a look at the settings. Here we can see prompt library, so you will be able to get summary, titles, show notes, newsletter, blog post, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter or X posts, I believe. Well, I can see that the processing just finished. Let's view that and return to prompt library later. Alright, so that's how the software works. You upload a video and then you're getting different kind of written content. Let's check the quality. There was a 24-minute content and the summary gets some facts from the video. It really describes what is happening in the video. However, I'm not sure where you can use that. It says the presenter notes that KTAP is not available in the plugin store. I would like the summary without these kind of words, the presenter notes, so it can be posted somewhere. Okay, let's check other type of content. Title, AutoCAD Unleashed, crafting 100 SEO-friendly articles with AI, worth the hype. Well, not the best title, however, in general it is fine. Checking show notes. Well, this type of summary or show note is more interesting than regular summary. And in general, I think with some edits here and there, you will be able to use that as a summary to your video. I would remove something like intention to utilize a first-person narrative style. I believe that came from part of the video where I was changing these type of settings. All right, let's check newsletter. And in general, I like some of these bullet points, like quality versus quantity and final verdict. Yeah, could be a nice draft for your newsletter. Moving to blog post, right away I can see it is maybe too short for a blog post. Yep, I can see just over 600 words. So it is definitely not a blog post. However, it can be used as another type of summary. check in LinkedIn post. And this one actually looks nice. And for me, it is even more like a detailed YouTube description for a review. Okay, check in next content, Instagram. Well, could be type of Instagram content. Check in Twitter. It can be fine, but maybe it's too long for a free account on Twitter. Okay, moving next, and just some other features. For each type of content, you have an option to regenerate. So we are getting another variant. That is always nice to have. You can also add new type of content. So depending on your use case, maybe you would like to get YouTube short script. So let's try this prompt. I'm asking to get 3 30 seconds YouTube short scripts covering parts of the content. And let's generate. And here's the result. Again, if you are good at prompting ChatGPT, you can generate different kind of content for your particular use case. For example, here, it can be a really nice YouTube short video. We are getting very detailed scene breakout, like there is opening shot and what to put in that opening shot. Then goes voiceover, then we are cutting to another scene. Then we are telling here, I'm on a mission to get 100 SEO optimized articles. That's a really nice and catchy phrase. And as I've prompted the tool, I'm getting few other variants for YouTube short. Yep, nice to have. And you can save your prompt to a library. So now when you will upload audio or video content, your custom prompt will also be executed and you will get additional content that you need. All right, so moving, I think, to the last feature, actually to transcript. And that's nice. You even can listen to parts of this transcript in original voice. I see the terms were applied correctly, like AutoCAD and AppSumo, because some transcribers write AppSumo differently. And just skimming through the transcript, I can see that it is very accurate. Yeah, I am actually surprised. So also you have an option to see full text. That's also a nice to have, because you can use this text and put it, let's say, into ChatGPT, asking to generate different type of content for you. All right, so that's it for review and demo of WhisperTranscribe. I think it is a pretty solid tool. It has predefined templates for your content. However, you can tailor this tool to your needs, because you can add your custom prompts, for example, as I did to generate YouTube short scripts. And I think if you are in need of such type of content and you missed SpotNotes deal, then WhisperTranscribe is a solid option. And the deal structure seems to be nice. You can start as low as $49, getting 150 minutes monthly. And if you need more, you can get license tier 2 and have access to bring your own OpenAI key feature. And then have access to GPT-4, maybe to generating even more accurate summaries and getting even higher quality. Please check the link to this WhisperTranscribe tool in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.